Sunday, July 6, 2025, 14th Sunday in Ordinary Time, Day of Cause of Pontifical Society of St. Peter. Focus. Rejoice that your names are written in heaven. In some Bible versions, the first word the angel said to Mary at the Annunciation was rejoice. She was asked to rejoice, not because of any heroic action on her part, but because she had been chosen by God. Jesus too reminds his exultant disciples that their joy was not to be based on their achievements and victories. The real source of their joy was in what lay beyond, eternity with God. True strength is not found in our own efforts, but comes from being God's beloved. The joy of the Lord is your strength. This joy of living in His presence, love, and faithfulness sustains us in trials, gives us courage in uncertainty, and reminds us that we are never alone. It is a joy that comes from knowing we are loved, forgiven, and secure in God's hands. Today's first reading promises, "You shall see, and your hearts shall rejoice, and the hand of the Lord shall be known to His servants." Rejoicing in this truth means living with confidence and peace, knowing that our ultimate home is with God. It encourages us to persevere through trials and, like Mary, live lives of service and humility, always seeking God's purpose in all things. God's beloved children around us must be the source of our joy. Fruit. May I always spread the joy of the Lord by my words and actions.